We're rolling. Well, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. Recently, when we were on our way from Texas for the winter, we went up through Oklahoma to Rolling Retreats to get some warranty work completed on our trailer.
And put cheap heat in.
Yeah, we put the cheap heat in. And while we were there, we had a visitor. And I'll let Ricky tell you about our visitor.
Well, actually, we didn't have a visitor.
Alicia had a visitor.
Well, yeah. Scott from Sport Chassis had come to take a picture with the 450 with the DRV.
And that 450 was a special 450, Ford 450. Sport Chassis had
built a bed on it, but it was a 450 that they had just built a bed on it. The truck itself wasn't necessarily special.
Yeah. So we're going to show you a little bit of that in today's video. And, you know, we have the Sport Chassis Freightliner
M2 106.
Okay. Some people choose to go big with the HDTs. And that's for pulling heavy loads. Some of these trailers, well, ours weighs, what, 25,000?
We don't talk about how much.
We don't talk about how much it weighs. We have a heavy load, let's just say that.
Well,
and some people even go bigger than that with your New Horizons and your Spacecraft and your Lux. And, you know, for stopping power, it's good to have those larger trucks. But I think this F450 has some type of not an engine brake.
Well, most of them have it. All of them have an exhaust brake on.
Exhaust brake.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they've renovated the F4. Renovated, well, modified. Modified it with a Sport Chassis bed.
You can look at it like that, but they take a chassis and put a bed on it.
So, just wanted to show you a look at that. And
well, we enjoyed talking with Scott that day. Actually had the opportunity to go to dinner. Alicia,
lunch?
Yeah. No, it was dinner.
It's lunch. It's dinner in the South.
Well, that's a conversation we've had all week, especially if you get people from New Jersey and Louisiana and Montana and just everywhere. But Scott did come down and take some pictures, and we had the opportunity to go to lunch and just
enjoyed conversation
with him, and it's a beautiful.
And we
truck.
rode the truck. Alicia drove us.
Yeah.
So for those of you who are not familiar with who we're talking about, Alicia and Slade are the owners of Rolling Retreat. If you look back at our videos, we did post a video of their new location, which is an awesome building. They have now 8 bays to work on the DRVs, and they have just started putting on the
Flex Armor roof.
So expanding their business, and we're real proud of them. And just real likable people. We love being around them, and Mike and all the guys there and gals at Rolling Retreat. So, yeah, let's just take a look at that.
Well, I'll say this too. Scott from Sport Chassis is just a super nice guy. He's just a good guy. And if you're interested in that, you know, it doesn't have to be a 450. You know, obviously. M2 106 or M2 112, they'd be glad to
assist you.
Yes.
All right. Well, let's get on to the video.
Yeah, let's do
it. We are Rickey and Denise. We sold everything in 2020 and hit the road to RV full time. We travel in our Freightliner M2 truck, pulling our DRV JX 450 full house that hauls our 2020 Harley Tri-Glide. We invite you to travel along with us as we are soaring together.
I would give y'all a tour of my cute little house, but it's kind of locked in there.
Cute little house?
Yes, sir.
I got Rickey's new truck out here.
You got Ricky's new truck out there.
Sure.
Talking about. Yes. Did you buy a new truck?
Mike must have bought you a new truck.
Is it out in the parking lot? We can go this way. There's a door.
I'm outside in the parking lot, or with the gate open.
Okay. We're on our way out.
If he wants to see it.
Okay.
And because the guy from Sports Chassis is here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Scott's here.
Is he out front? Oh.
Are you out front?
Oh, no, that's all.
Yeah, out front. Come out front around.
Okay.
On YouTube.
Well, we're working on a video today, so
I didn't
you
put my
can.
makeup on today.
I got lipstick. You want me to go grab it?
We have Ricky. You want to introduce him?
Well, you introduce yourself.
Scott from Sport Chassis.
How you doing?
Good.
Now explain this new truck to me.
Well, it's built on the F450 platform, and it's a new model for Sport Chassis. We built it on the Lariat, trim and up. So Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and then all the way into the limited edition. And so, as far as on the Sport Chassis end of it, it's the LH3. LH is luxury hauler, LH3, and then you've got your LH5 and your LH7, which is the model that you were talking about, with the big DD13 500 horsepower engine. And then you've got the middle child, which is the LH5 with the Cummins 350, 360 all the way to 375 horsepower, 1050 torque. And then you go down to the LH3, which is the F450 with the powerful power stroke engine, and they're really, really, really nice trucks. We're really proud of them.
How many horsepower is the Ford?
The Ford's 480 or 485. I should know that right off the top of my head.
That's cool.
Yeah, and I think they're rated at 1,000 torque now. So
We're gonna get a tour of this truck in a minute. You can take me for a ride.
absolutely, you can drive it.
Okay. I will do that.
You need to get Slade out here.
Well, if I get one to pull my rig, it'll be mine.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you take trade-ins?
Hold up.
I might trade my Denali in.
Okay, I'm backing up.
But maybe I can figure out how to make him pay half. That's a good idea.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. I think everybody should take a vote. Everybody that thinks like
What's
should
his
pay
is
half.
yours, and what's yours is yours, right?
Right.
That works.
Good motto,
Yeah,
man.
absolutely.
I need a T-shirt that says that.
We'll just call up Stitches on the Road and have them make you a new
Yeah.
T-shirt.
Yeah.
There you go. They come out. This, he made my hat, or she made my hat.
Yeah, they do all
when
my
we were at
hats.
Oh, yeah.
And all our shirts
HDT.
and all our jackets.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I've already walked around the truck. And
With the video, so we got to see the inside.
Are you
so we're
gonna
gonna go for a
drive the
ride.
truck?
Why not?
Well, let's do it.
All right. Let me get some lipstick though. Hold on. 1 minute.
got to do an ending.
That is the ending.
No, we got to do an ending.
That is the ending.
No, we got to do an ending. Well, thank you for viewing our channel. Again, we want to thank all of our subscribers and those who view. And if you have not subscribed, you need to hit the notification bell after you like and subscribe. Do all the things.
As Todd would say, do all the things.
Todd on Switch It Up says.
Yes.
So we hope you're enjoying our videos. We just wanted to drop this one in. This is not part of the heavy duty truck rally, but it is another truck option for you. So we're going to have a few more videos of the heavy duty truck rally, and then we'll have some video of some of the sightseeing that we did while we're here. We've got an exciting day today. We're taking another ride. So anyway, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell again.
And we're done.
And we're done. Thank you.
One.